What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. We are going to be picking up from where we finished off last weekend. We're going to finish up our installation of our expansion tank there. And then actually, one of you guys made a comment. I wasn't going to make a video, but one of you guys commented and told me that this piece here is actually removable. I actually looked into it, and it looks like there's a couple of studs that come up through and go into the cowl part up top there. So we're going to pull the cowl apart and pull that bracket off. That's actually really cool. I'm glad you guys commented about that, because that's going to make it even easier to work on and get to that valve cover. So pretty excited about that. Like I said, I wasn't really planning on making a video because I didn't really have a whole lot to do. So, but with that, I think we're going to make a video out of this today. We have everything we need for our setup here, including our riv nuts. So we got a really cool tool that we're going to be using today to install these riv nuts. And yeah, so without further ado, guys, we're just going to jump right into it. As you guys saw, we already drilled the holes into the fender for the riv nuts. So I'm going to show you guys this really cool tool for installing riv nuts and go from there. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for tuning in. All right, so with our holes drilled, we're going to use a Matco tool riv nut adapter kit here to install our riv nuts. Pop this thing open. I already have it set up, but basically you can see here, this is for your drill, and then that's the piece that comes out and grabs onto our riv nut. So we're going to thread this piece all the way out. When it clicks, it stops. We're gonna grab our riv nut, and that'll thread onto here. And then basically we're just gonna stick this into the hole we just drilled, and then stick our drill on it. And yeah, this thing will suck closed, and it'll pinch right there between the fender and stuff, and we'll be all set. So let's do it. There it is. That's the basic principle. We got just a little bit of clearance underneath there for our hose. That's just gonna go from the bottom up to here. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this installation. Like, all we did was the riv nut into the side there. We still got to tighten down those two bolts on each side, but we're gonna check clearance real quick on the hood. And see, we got tons of room, not much more further to go with the hood here. The spot that I'm concerned about, which you can't really see in there, is the radiator cap actually does hit. I marked it, you can see it right there. So we are gonna have to cut a little bit into the hood. This piece here should be good to go. We're just gonna tighten everything up, and then we gotta get a 1/4-inch hose to go from the bottom up to our radiator cap. So pretty simple. Like I said, that's why I wasn't really planning on making a video. But now we're going to tackle our other project, which is going to be to remove the degas bottle bracket. So yeah, let's pull that thing off. We're going to have to pull the plastic cowl up top there. Might pop off the hood, might just close it. And yeah, I've taken off 1 or 2 of those cowls before. It's usually just a bunch of screws all over the place. So let's get to pulling that thing off. Show you guys exactly what we got hiding back here. Actually, let me go from the front side maybe. You can see all your windshield motor and stuff. And then I can sneak in through here. Yeah, so right there we see it. We have a wiring harness that comes through. And then you can see there's 1, 2, and the third one. The third nut is right there. That's actually what holds on the bracket. So I think we can remove that whole piece, including that inside bracket that we're looking at right now. And then this whole piece here will just come right out. So that's what we're going to try to do next. Looks like a couple of, oh shoot, probably 13 mils. So that's what we're going to try. Man, check that out. That's clean. We're definitely gonna have to do something with this wire. That's gonna drive me nuts just to see it like chilling, hanging out right there. It'd look so much cleaner if we could like somehow remove that wire. That wire bundle, I should say. At least this curve out of it. Like if we could just make that curve not be there and just have it straight, and then we can just have it go cleanly across the top. Might be something we do. And then we can actually pop a couple of these Christmas tree deals out and then just zip tie it up straight along the top of this cowl here. That'd probably look the best. Might be something we do later. But that, man, having that bracket out of there is sweet. We got this piece over here all done. So guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. We actually got some stuff accomplished. A couple of small things. I really appreciate the guy that commented and told me about being able to remove that bracket. That's freaking cool, man. Really appreciate that. It looks so much cleaner. We're gonna clean that wiring harness up a little bit more. All we got to do for our expansion tank is just get a hose and tighten everything up. Make sure, you know, we throw some thread tape on the stuff, and we should be good to go with that. Thank you guys. It is freezing cold outside, but I fought through it. We got some stuff accomplished on the truck. It's like 20 degrees in the barn right now, and I'm freezing cold. So not much that the fire stove can do when it's super windy outside. So thank you guys for sticking with it. And if you're new, subscribe, leave a comment down below, like, and we will see you guys in the next video.